Alright. You would see here, it would still be busy, although that your image has started to appear here. Do not have any attempt to remove the cassette. Let it here be until it indicates ready on the button. So now your image has been processed, developed and saved, but not on any physical drive. So what we've got here, the software that you have set earlier at where you are going to save for all the images at this scanning. So the patient name that we have set earlier is 15524 test 1. So this is where all the images today will be saved unless you create another file. All right, so that would be what you can do. All right, so you can adjust this, say that you are interested to only see 4 or you are interested only to see 1. It's up to you. So that's up to how you are organizing your work. Okay, now you can use image tools, or you can use, wait, I have to wait until this is ready. I'll show you on how to use the analysis. If you have to perform a simple analysis here, you might want to do it here instead of going back home and use your whatever software, for example, your MATLAB software or your ImageJ software. So there are many different types of image processing softwares that you can use. So this is the image of the chest phantom that we have acquired by the shooting earlier. Alright, so once at every shooting, the cassette is erasing itself. So one it is inserted to be processed and to display an image. The cassette or the CD reader, the CR reader, will work itself to erase the current image so that it can be going back to re-0. It will be appearing 0 so that you can take the cassette for another shooting. So it says here, remaining time 17 seconds. Okay, it says pull out cassette, so it is ready to be pulled out. So means that you can take this for another shooting, which is fine. Alright, so now that's ready. So now, say that you want to perform a simple analysis and to check on your image. So say that you want to measure the distance from these two lines, for example. So you can actually do that. Alright, so this is 21.07 millimeter, or you want to measure the size, you can also do that. So you can perform the analysis. Alright, so and you want to write the name so that you know this is test 1 Phantom A. Alright, Phantom A. So you can also do that. So this, when you print this image into a CD, it will be all saved. Or if you want to retrieve this image later in this computer, say that you're done with your work today and tomorrow you are coming again to check on your images, and you can always go back and do this. The images will be here, and well, nobody is going to be here to erase your images. It's still going to be here. Alright, now say that you have all the images. We don't have an image processing software installed in this physical computer. You have to take it back home or where you're working, buy all these images, burn it on a CD or save it in a CD. So what you do is click on write. Make sure the destination is E, which is the CD, mode PDI, and click on web options, simple viewer, full resolution, and file name, it could be anything, or you can specify the name. It's up to you, so it doesn't really matter. And highlight the image that you want to burn. So say that everything is ready. Do not burn for every 1 or 2 image. One CD can easily fit in 200 images. So do all your scanning, save all your images here. So maybe you have 200 images for the day. It's impossible. You're not allowed to do 200 scanning in a day. So that is maxed out. So say that you have 50 images, and then you just click when everything is ready. This is the old CD. Take a fresh CD. It must be a CDR, and press it in. Click on right. Okay, click on right and insert on CD and click on yes. And then with the CD, then click on next. Okay, it will appear here, writing data, and it has to get to 100%. So now it is 0%. It'll take some time. So that's why I say it is not wise for you to have your data burnt into a CD for every file. It'll be taxing on time. So it'll be recording, and once it finished, it'll appear here 100. So it is a DICOM format image. So your processing tool or software must be able to read DICOM format images. So you have to wait up until 100. Dah, kejap lagi kita tunjuk lain lah.